What's going on YouTube? This is Higgins24, and basically this is my built Phantom 410 computer. It's complete. It has been complete for 2 days. I am just currently running some BIOS check. I'm not gonna do anything else, not do any Windows or nothing yet. I am basically just gonna have somebody else that we know of that will do that for me. I just built it myself and it runs currently. So what do we have all in here? We got the motherboard is a Asus Maximus 7th Hero motherboard. Has the overclocking on it. It's awesome looking. I love the LEDs. Supremely done. The RAM is the Trident. No, it's the G.Skill Trident X, 8 gigabytes. So that is amazing. The processor I don't have. It's in there right there with the Corsair H60 in a cooling system for the computer for the processor. It's an i7 477K processor for overclocking. Great, I love it. Here we have the GeForce GTX 770 Nvidia. Oh, it's amazing. It's lovely. I love the glowing. The power supply is an 850 Corsair CX 850M. Amazing. And we also have some optimized fans with the lighting, basically. The hard drive is a 1 terabyte hard drive. Seagate. Amazing. This the LG DVD writer and stuff. Now take that here. Keep it cool. Basically, the keyboard is from some Asian company. I don't know from what. It's a Bezalius. If somebody else knows how to pronounce it, please send me. The mouse pad is a Sasuke limited edition Uchiha, like an angel wing, dark angel wing. The monitor is an LCD 24-inch screen Asus monitor. Other than that, I'll get some guy to come down here hopefully soon, and he'll hopefully get it running. And we'll make sure that it all runs. Until then, Higgins24 sign out.